East coast of Australia, 791, west coast of Canada.
701 was it? I'm not sure. I've got a bit of traffic everywhere I go here this morning. 701, a big g'day, appreciate the shout out. Hopefully you're enjoying your Saturday to go ahead. Sunday morning down under, back to you.
Yeah, 161 Australia, you're sounding Q5 up here. This is Joe, 791, west coast of Canada, waving.
Again, a busy channel. No matter where I go here this morning, it's busy everywhere. The great to hear you out of Canada there, the west coast. 791 Banana Joe, 161 on the east coast of Queensland. Big g'day to you, mate.
Good day to you, man. I just wanted to drop in there and say hi to you. It was good to hear you in there. And like usual, you're always sounding good up here on the west coast of Canada. I'll let you get back to your call there, mate. And I just wanted to come in there and shout at you. And have a good day, what's left of it there for. I think you have a whole day ahead of you. You got 791 Joe here out on the west coast of Canada. We'll be on the side. Cheers, mate.
Salt Spring Island, Alpha Uniform, 161, East Coast, Queensland, Australia. Cheers and beers to you, Joe.
Cheers to you, man. 161, 9 Alpha Uniform, 791, west coast of Canada, saying cheers to you, my friend. We'll listen for you again. 791 QSX.
Cheers and beers, take care, Joe.
Cheers to you. That was good to hear him in there. I've been talking to that guy for years.